going, guys? Sorry for the noise in the background, but in this video I want to show you all my tips on how to install the central stand on your BMW F800r. This is my F800r. Okay, so when I bought the bike, it didn't come with a central stand, just a side stand. And I went online, I went to eBay, and I was lucky. I found this one for a good price. This is actually a center stand for a F800 ST or the GT or any other models. You don't necessarily, as long as it's not the GS models, should be compatible in terms of the height of the center stand or the length of it. So you could use any of those and have it mounted on the F800R. This one I bought. Also, another tips is when you buy those, make sure it comes with two of those springs, one the smaller one, one of the bigger one. Make sure it comes with the little rubber damper. Make sure it comes with the Torx bolt, the washer, and also a bushing inside the stand. Those are the basic stuff that you need to completely mount this stand on the F800R. The process itself is very, very simple. The only hard part is, you probably guessed, put the spring on the stand and then onto the bike. Now your bike will come with a socket that is ready for the spring to be mounted. So you don't have to do anything additional. You can see the socket over there behind this little thing. Yeah, you won't miss it. Once you put that thing on, once you put the spring on the socket, you put the spring on the stand immediately, and that's before you mount the screws. Okay, so that way, when you have the screws kind of aligned, you could do what I did, which is just sitting here, use my foot to push the stand while aligning this bolt, and with the spring already attached. You're gonna give this a little kick, and eventually, once you kick hard enough, you will align this bolt and be able to push it in there. For the bolt on the other side, you should be able to actually just put this bolt in, and then put the nut on the back in there to get the process started. So step one is put the spring on there on both the stand and on the bike. Step two is align the stand on the right side. Okay, you put this bolt in there, you put the nut in there. Step three, I'm going to show you the step three. Okay, so that's what I did. All right, I'm going to put it here. Step three is you're going to have your bolt and all the nuts and bushings ready. What I did is, because the spring is pressure loaded, so it's not going to align that easily if you don't give this a kick. So what I did to align the spring, which again is the toughest part, is just to use my foot, give it a little leverage, push this behind, and make sure your bike is stable. Push this behind. It will in turn push the spring and then give you the leverage you need to align this bolt onto the left end. Okay, what I also used is a little screwdriver to just pry and adjust the to give it a little push if it's just slightly misaligned. And once I push it down, the spring actually went in rather easily, with my foot actually at the same time just pushing on the stand. So I was pushing on the stand, giving the pressure, stretch the spring, use a little screwdriver to pry it so it goes lower, and then just keep pushing, keep prying. Once it's aligned, it can literally just drop in there. Once you have everything aligned, of course, the last step is use this is T50, a Torx screw on the front, okay, and then a 16mm wrench, hold on the back, and then just tighten it to the spec. And I believe it was 46 Newton meters. Correct me if I'm wrong, but yeah, just make sure you torque both sides to spec. The other side might be a little tricky because there's a little less area to work on, but then the process should be the same. You just hold it, torque it, and you are done with having the center stand installed. And again, as I said, you don't have to buy the F800R specific center stand. Any of the F800 besides the GS series, which is taller, should be working perfectly fine with the F800R. Okay, so hope this helps you guys, and good luck on your center stand installation. Subscribe for more motorcycle maintenance repair related videos. Thanks again, and see you in the next video. Take care.